So this is also uses min-max algorithm, that is a game tree for 5 stone. It also uses a min-max algorithm. So here it is having at the initial at the root node. So here it is a 5 stone. Now they have to go on removing until there is a no stones, that is 0 stones. So it is also played between the player 1 and the player 2. What does the player 1 does? First his turn. He will remove the stone. Next player 2 will take. Next player 1, player 2. Like this until 0 stones is remaining. So here the player 1's chance first. He removes 1 stone. Another possibility is that he can remove 2 stones. So it becomes 3. So max turn is over. Next player 2 turn, that is min turn. So he removes 1 stone. Next another he removes 2 stones. So remaining is what, 2. Player 2, again what he does, in the same level he completes first. He removes 1 stone, remaining is what, 2. He removes 2 stone, remaining is what, 1. So next max turn. Player 1 turn. He removes 1 stone, so it will become 2. He removes 2 stone, it becomes 1. He removes 1 stone, it becomes 1. He removes 2 stones, it becomes 0. Here he removes 1 stone, 1. 2 stones, 0. He removes 1 stone, 0. So what happens now? If you see all here yeah, at this level he got zeros. Means he has already reached the goal. He has already reached the goal. Okay. Next, min turn. So what the min will do? Okay. What the min will do? Min what it will do? It removes 1 stone. It becomes 1. He removes 2 stones. It becomes 0. Again here 0. He removes 1 stone. He removes 1 stone. He removes 1 stone. That is min 10 is over. Now it has reached zeros. So max turn. What the max turn here already becomes zeros. Now max turn what it will do? It removes 1. Now it becomes 0. So now if you see, okay, this is max min, max min, max min. Okay. Now if you see here in this part, so here since it is a max, okay, min, max, min, max, min, max. So here if you see here, so it says since it is a min, I'll make reward it as minus 1. Okay, since it is a max, okay, I'll make it as reward as 1. Since it is a min, okay, the reward is what, minus 1, because at the min stage it has got zeros. So at the max, okay, like this, at the leaf nodes, I'll make give the rewards. Okay. Now, so min minus 1. Okay, same thing. Since only one child, same thing will go here minus 1. Okay. Now, so these values are all like this leaf nodes. Okay. Same values are there. So the min, okay, min what it will do is minimum of this minus 1 and 1. What is that? Minus 1. Why will choose minus 1? Because he wants the max player to lose. So he will take the minimum value. So now there is only one child, that same thing will go here. Here one child, same thing will be going here. Minus 1. Okay, only it is already a leaf node. 1, same thing will go here. Minus 1, minus 1. So next if you see max, minus 1, 1. He will take the maximum value 1. 1 and minus 1, maximum value 1. 1 and minus 1, maximum value 1. Same thing will go here. Here the max. Next min. Min what it will do? It will take the minimum value. 1 and 1 minimum is what? 1. 1 and minus 1 is what? Minus 1. Remember, why it will take the minimum value means he wants to decrease the reward of the max player. He wants to lose the opponent, that is the max player, to lose. So he will take the min value. So 1 and minus 1, this is what next it has got. 1 and 1, it is 1. Because minimum is 1 and 1 is what? 1 only. 1 and minus 1, minimum value is what? Minus 1. Max player. Max player what it will do? It will take the maximum value. 1 and minus 1, maximum value is what? 1. So now 1, 1 where it has got from here. So if we choose, okay, now it has got 1. Now means it is, now we are what we are doing, we have backtracked. So backtracked like this, backtracked with min and max, and we have reached here. Now it has got the root. Okay, I got 1 from where? From this. That root will be noted down. So if I choose this path, I'll definitely win the game. Okay, otherwise, here also, if I choose this path, definitely will win the game. Max player will win the game. If you choose big path, he will win the game. Got it? So it is a thing. But first, exploring the nodes, backtrack and get the root and reach the root layer. Means if you choose this path, you will definitely win. So if I use another example, it will be still more clear. So these are the rewards we get. Let me take. So any problem that evaluation will not see here. So these are the rewards what we get. Like this we got no, the rewards. So minus 1, 1, 1, 1 like this minus 1. The rewards what we get. If he wins, max player wins, it is 1. Min player wins, it is minus 1. Min player wins, it is a minus 1. Okay, if min player wins, it is minus 1. Max player has 1, no. So it is 1. Okay, if min player wins, it is minus 1. So let us take here. So these are the terminal nodes. Okay, these are the terminal nodes. Now if you see these terminal nodes, so here these are the terminal nodes, that is nothing but the rewards. So it is like 5, 2, 9, 6 like this here. Here it is was 1, minus 1 like this it was there. Okay. So here these are the rewards. Now min max. So here now like this I've explored the nodes. Okay, like this I've explored the nodes. I've got these are the rewards. Once again I'm repeating like this we'll get the rewards. So here since max player has 1, so it was 1. Since min player will win, it was minus 1. So that is the way. The same thing here. Okay, let me take here. So here, see, so these are the rewards. So I'll play the game, some game. I'll use some evaluation techniques. I'll get these rewards. Now what I have to do, I have to backtrack and find out what is the route and reach the max layer. So the max layer will come to know which is the path I have to choose. So here among this, for bin 5 minus 1, minimum value is what? Minus 1. Here minimum value is what? 3. Here minus 2 and minus 5, minus 5. 9 and 8, 8. 1 and 6, 1. 4 and minus 4 and 2, it is minus 4. 4 and 7, 4. 3 and minus 3, minimum value is what? 3. He wants to decrease the chance of player 1 to win, so he will take the minimum value. Now next goes here max player. What it will do? It will take the maximum value. Minus 1 and 3, 3. Minus 5 and 8, 8 is the maximum. 1 and minus 4, 1 is maximum. 4 and minus 3, 4 is maximum. 3 and 8, 3 is maximum. 1 and 4, 1 is maximum. 3 and 1, 3 is maximum. So now, like this, I'll backtrack and go and I'll get the 3 value. Now, so if I choose this path 3, if I choose this path, okay, there is I'll get the reward. At least this 3 reward I will get. Okay, means there is a possibility to win. If I choose this path, there is a possibility to win for me. Getting my point? Okay, if I choose this path, I will get at least a possibility of win and a reward of 3. So this is a min-max. And the algorithm, if you see, it's a simple algorithm. Okay, if it is a leaf, then return the reward, that is payoff. So if it is a leaf, if you reach the leaf, it is a return the reward. Next, if the node, I'll go to the successor of the node. If the node is a min node, if a node is a min node, what you are returning? Minimum value. If the node is a max node, then what you are returning? Maximum value. So that's all is a min max. Next we will see alpha beta pruning.